Paku. Paku or edible fern. Yes, what you see is the edible part of the paku. It is the young shoots that is best for cooking while it is still unfurled. So this is the best size. Paku is growing in the wild near river banks. Yes, this vegetable can grow even without the help of humans in the wild. But here I am showing to you, here in my garden in the city, I am growing them so healthy. Yes, it is not growing beside the river banks or under the coconut trees, but here in my city garden. As you can see, these babies are now multiplying with lots of baby paku already, starting from a few plants that I started to plant way back 2 years or 3 years ago. I cannot exactly remember how old it is, but I was able to multiply them. So these are the baby paku from few mother plants that I have planted before. This paku grows in shaded areas, like in our province in summer, beside the river banks, under the coconut trees. I'm showing to you that here in the city, I am growing them healthy. Yes, they are not under the big trees. They are not beside the river. Paku is another indigenous vegetables that should be grown in each garden. Yes, it's true. I did not hinder myself from growing it, despite I was told it can be grown only near the river. I made them grow in my city garden. All you need to do is keep the soil moist, especially during dry season. And now I already keep harvesting young shoots from these few plants I have here. It is a clean and healthy paku anytime we want. And because they are planted in the area that are undisturbed, they keep producing more babies. So these are the baby true root runners, like that. They look like that when they are still a baby. So they are now growing wild slowly because they are not in the area that are disturbed, or there are some activities that the plants will be stepped every now and then. So this is it, especially during rainy season, they are fast to multiply. So I am enjoying now cooking the paku in salad. It is very good in salad, cooking with gata or coconut milk, or just saute it with garlic and onion. So here are some of an example of planting material of the paku. So the root is already has a baby on it. It's a baby paku. These are the mature planting material. So this is how it look like for planting. So that's it. If you want to have a paku in your garden, so just find a location that is not disturbed so it can easily multiply and have your paku in the city. So I am sharing this for those who want to plant and have their own pots of paku and harvest the young vegetable anytime you want, and it is very clean and healthy vegetable. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you like my video, share it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you very much and happy planting.